Hello guys, in today's video we're gonna talk about how to create and customize a website on Wix for eco-friendly home product business easy and quick. So as we know, Wix is a type of website that you can create easily using a platform called Wix. It helps you build your own site without needing to know how to code. It offers various tools to design, add content and customize your site. So first of all, let's start from here. Build with Wix editor. Okay, so as you see here, we can start with Search AI so it's gonna help you to build and customize your website. And also you can go to basic setup, so you can set up without AI. So I'm gonna choose this way to set up my website. Okay, let's get started. Okay, so you can enter here your website type. Okay, so as you see here, you can select your business type. So for example, I'm gonna choose this one right here. Okay, now you can enter your store name. Do you already have an online store? What would you like to sell? Physical product or digital product or dropshipping product? This is depends on your business. What would you like to sell? Online store or your mobile app or marketplaces and social media? So let's continue to dashboard. Okay, so let's go to design the site. So how would you like to design a website? You can let Wix create a site for you or customize the design template. So for me, I'm gonna start from here. So let's get started. Okay, as you see here, you can enter your informations, your name, your email, your address, and your phone, and also you can add the social link. So let's continue. Now you can pick a theme you like, pick a theme match your business. So you can try your best to make your site look attractive. Okay, so don't forget the simple details like the themes and like the colors and the fonts. So it's more important to make your site look attractive to attract more customers to your website. So let's continue. Okay, now you're gonna pick your favorite homepage design. Okay, so you can choose your favorite one. I'm gonna choose this one right here. Now you can add pages to your site if you want. So now wait a few seconds for preparing the homepage design. Now your site is up and running, so you can go to editor to complete design. As you see here, this is the editor page. So as you see, if you want to add elements, you can add the sections, you can add pages and menus. Also, if you want to design the site, you can add apps, you can customize your business. So for example, if you want to add elements, you can start from the text, you can customize the theme text, the titles and the paragraphs. If you want to upload images or import images, also you can explore images here, free from Wix, free Wix illustrations. Also here you can customize the theme buttons, the text and icon buttons, and the icon buttons, the image buttons. So that's it. Also here the decorative, you can customize the themed lines, the basic shapes, rows, horizontal lines and vertical lines. So that's it. If you want to add section, you can just click here and you can select what kind of sections you want to add on your home page. Also you can design the site, so you can customize your color theme, the text theme, the page background and the page transitions. So that's it. Let's move on to the first section here, the header section. So as you see here, you can do a quick edit, so you can design and edit the site name if you want to change it. Also you can manage the horizontal menu, manage the menu. So let's move on to the next section. Nothing special here. So as you see here, you can change the section background, the strip background, and also you can change the color. So you can change the color, for example, if you want. So that's it. Let's go back. Now let's go to design the next section. Okay, so as you see here, this is the product section. So here you're gonna create your product and manage your product section. Okay, so you can add new products, physical products. Now you can add the title of your product. Also you can add images and videos. Also you can add the product information, the name and the description. You can customize the pricing options, the price. Also you can turn this on and customize the discount and the sale price. Here if you wanna customize and manage the inventory and the shipping settings, you can customize the status, and also you can turn this on and customize the inventory, the shipping weight. So that's it. If you're done from here, you can just save this place and go back to complete the design in this editor page. Okay, so this is the features section. So as you see, you can change the text right here, and you can also change the color in the background. Okay, so let's move on to the next section, the about section. Okay, so the same thing here. If you want to change this section background, just click here and change the color. Okay, like this. And if you want to change the image right here, just click on it. Just click here and change the background and go to the image, and you can search on your favorite image. Okay, so you can search here. So for example, okay, I'm gonna choose this one. So as you see, if you want to change the text, just click here, and you can choose the type of the section. For example, this is about section, and you have to insert information to include here, and after this it's gonna create it for you. You can make it shorter, and also you can use it as like this. So like this, it's easy and quick. And also if you want to change the text, you can just select your favorite fonts, and also you can change the heading. Okay, so that's it. Let's move on to the last section here, the footer section. So you can just if you want to regenerate or edit your email and your company name for the copyright. So that's it. So before you publish your website, you can go to the preview and see what your site looks like on desktop and mobile before you go live. And also you can save this editor page. So if you wanna publish, you can just publish it from here, and you can start selling and start your business. So that's it for today. If you like this video, don't forget to like, don't forget to subscribe. I hope this video is helpful for you. Thanks for watching till the end, and see you in the next video.